Thank you for joining me. In this video and the upcoming ones, we are going to build a movie application using React.js and Material UI for styling. But before we take a look at the project we are going to build, I want to point out that this project is going to be built in 3 parts. 1, we're going to use React.js only. 2, we're going to use React.js and Redux, and most importantly, we're going to use Redux Toolkit. And the last part we're going to use Node.js to build, that is called main stack, to build this application. So depending on the time of watching this video, it can happen that all the other projects are ready, so you can look through my videos, and if it's ready, we can start where you want to start. Alright, so with that being said, let's look at the demo for this project. Cool. If you look at the navbar here, we have 3 sections: the movies, trending, and TV series. Alright, so based on the category you want to view, we have a header tells you that you are on whether latest movies page or trending page. So if you click on movies, give you the image, show you that it's on a movies page. The same thing applies to trending and TV series. Alright, but before that, this project is also responsive, and if I scroll like that, you can see that as soon as we scroll, we have this nice drawer, right, from Material UI, and it's really responsive, and you can click on that and toggle the drawer as well, and we can also click on this to check for all the categories as well. Alright, so if you scroll down here under the movies page, we have what is called the genres. Alright, so you can filter the movies based on the genres it has. And you scroll down here, we have all the list of movies, and you see we have this nice hover effect, and look at this image as well. And each movie has a title and date, rating, and some description. And we have what is called watch trailer. You can click on this one and watch. And if you look at the bottom here, we have the pagination. We are going to use Material UI to implement the pagination. So if you click on this pagination, you see that we have different pages based on where you are. Okay, cool. So if we click on the watch trailer, for example, what should we watch? Let's click on this one, The Suicide. And then let's enjoy. Alright, and you can also view large view
has boundless imagination
as that, and you can also use all our playing inside our application without going or any external link. And look at the bottom here, we are going to implement what is called social share. You can share this movie to your friends on all the social media that you want, whether on Facebook, WhatsApp, email, Pinterest, or Twitter. So if you click on Facebook, you see that it takes you to Facebook, and there you go. You can share this movie to your friends on Facebook. And you click on WhatsApp, the same thing applies to WhatsApp. If you click on email and Twitter, they are going to send you to share this video with your friends on this particular social channel. Alright, cool. So the same thing applies to all these traders are working perfectly.
Did he talk to you about me?
Oh, what are you talking about?
Captain America.
As well. Cool. So the for trending, it has no the genres for filtering, but for TV series we have it as well. You can also watch the TV series with the trailer as well. Okay, they are all for the same.
Did he talk to you about me?
Alright, cool. So let's look at the filtering part of it. When I select on action, it means I'm filtering by action, and adventure is going to select based on the genres it has. So you can see that these ones, or no movie has all these genres, so there's no movie for that. And also we are also implementing what is called error handling, and we are improving the user friendly of moving application well. So you see that when you click on this movie, you have what is called loading. Did you see? I think it's really fast, so let me show you a little bit. I think the internet is fast. You can see some spinning before you see the spinning before it launches. And you're also handling the error. So let's try to trigger some error to make application crash and see the error we are going to face. Alright, so I have triggered some errors. Let me refresh the application, and there you go. You see that we have something went wrong. Try again later. Alright, cool. So guys, this is all what we're going to build in this video and the upcoming ones. So if you're happy as I am, take some coffee, and to promote me, share my videos, like, comment to promote me to do more videos like this. With that being said, let's get back to code and build this awesome project.